Hi mga loves! Andito kami ngayon sa IMG Worlds of Alvin Choi. So, papasok pa lang kami. Meron na kaming ticket. Honey! So, diretso na kami dahil meron na kaming ticket. Yung iba kasi hindi pa bumili kaya kailangan pa pumila. So, dito meron na ticket. Dire-diretso na. Hi, honey! Hi, Bishi! Are you excited? So, ito yun. Dami na din tao. Dito pala yung may holder ng pasa. Doon pala wala, no? Meron kaming pasa. Pasa or pasa? Alexa! Here. Mas konti lang. Dito tayo, mas konti. So, pila muna kami mga loves. Hi! So, mga loves, andito na kami sa loob. Are you excited, Alexa? Picture tayo, Daddy. Picture muna kami mga loves. Hello. Yes. Come, let's go. So, tapos na kami Saan tayo, Dad? Ang ganda dito mga loves kasi indoor. So, hindi mo ramdam yung init. Saan tayo, Daddy? Sa rides muna tayo. So, that's it muna mga loves. Harap muna kami ng kung saan banda. Honey! Lexa! Punta tayo saan? Lost Valley. Saan banda yon? Saan, Daddy? Sa loob?
Now's your chance. Go! Change your plan. Hit the gas. Now! Go! Violent. Keep moving. We'll celebrate later. Try again. Back it up, back it up.
Both are enormous. I've never seen violence like that. Some type of very long time. Hopefully.
Hi! What you got? Wow, cotton candy. Hi, ate. Hi, Dad. Natakot si ate sa ride. Hindi pwede doon sa Alexa, kaya kami lang. Alexa! How are you?
This isn't the night of
Ate!
What about the space?
Daddy!
Jake, where are we? This is
Real space!
Ang taas! Ang taas!
Hey, a guy just walked
Alexa!
out wearing your hat.
Daddy!
Oh, that can
Ang
tell you
taas!
the alternate reality version of me. And I'm hungry. Oh,
Hello.
we can eat after we rescue the princess.
Yeah, like that. Or maybe a dimension
Daddy!
where I play a giant pipe organ that shoots rockets.
Alexa!
One where there's a show about how awesome we
Oh,
are.
Mama! I'm freaked out!
Those places somewhere too.
You got people that come by stealing from them.
Ate! R.A. Hi! Honey! Magra-ride sila ng carousel mga loves. Ayan. Enjoy the ride! Hi! Daddy! Saan sila? Ay, nagpalit. cotton candy. How's your ride? Hi guys. Papunta sana kami doon sa Gumball. Gumball ate.
Yeah.
Kaso sarado pa. I mean, mag-antay daw ng 40 minutes. So, I don't think antayin pa namin kasi oras na, pagod na. Kakapagod na din. So far, na-enjoy naman natin. So, punta muna kami dito sa shop. You like it?
Yeah, but we can't buy it.
How about Alexa? Try. You like it? Ah,
Buy it.
okay. Mamili na kami ng damit nila mga loves. Tsaka yung magnet. Itong magnet yung pinili namin. Saan nga ba yan?
واحد اختار يلا حتى نروح واحد افضل
Sorry. Ganito yung binili namin. Walang nakalagay na IMG wall pero magnet. Okay lang. Sure na doon. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, can I get this thing?
Hmm.
This?
Okay, it's okay later. What?
At least we can build down here anytime.
Yeah, next time. So, it's time to
Leave.
it's time to go home.
And after that, go get dinner.
Si Alexa pa. Alexa doesn't want to go home pa.
Why?
She want to play.
You can just take a tour and then we can
Time to go home na mga loves. Pagod na din. So, may kukunin lang kami sa labas. Titingnan namin yung picture kanina. Let's go, guys! Let's go! Thank you for visiting us. Bye! Thank you, IMG World. Tingnan muna namin yung pictures, mga loves. Nandito. I-scan ko muna. Wait lang.